Alright, so I just did part 1 of the trimmers, chainsaw, and blowers. So now this is part 2. We're going to start the lawnmowers, all 6 of them that are running. I think. Oh no, 5, I'm sorry. But I do have a 6th one, my Lawnboy R7070, but that's not running, so yeah, this is what I got for today. So let's get started. Alright, get some gas in there. So the first one we're going to start is my 1985 Honda HR214. And now, since this is a Honda, it's made in Japan. You can see right there. Made in Japan. Very heavy duty, sturdy lawnmower. That's all metal, the top here. The only plastic is the gas cap and the air filter, which is nice compared to your newer lawnmowers that are all plastic, as you can see. That's plastic. So yeah. So let's see how well this will start this year. I think I gotta turn the, yeah I do. Turn the fuel valve on. Set it to choke. And I'll put the camera down on the tripod. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Alright. And pull away. Oh my god. You guys see that? One pull. I was not expecting that. Gotta love your Hondas, that's for sure. Definitely very, very well made engines. Let's try out the blade clutch, see how well that works. Awesome. Let's see if it idles. Which it does, wow. Wow, I was not expecting that thing to start in the first pull, but I should have known it is a Honda, and they do say it is easy starting, so yeah. All right, next one. All right, so the next one we're going to start is my Toro Super Recycler 255 with the Briggs and Stratton Quantum engine, and I'll even show you. You can see there 255. This is my workhorse lawnmower. This is the one I usually use when I mow my clients' yards. It's a very reliable mower. I really do like these Quantum engines. Alright, let's give it some primes for a good time. Yeah. See how well this starts. Come on. It's unusual. Huh. Gotta give it some more primes. Alright. Try again. So, next one we're going to start is my 2007 Lawnboy 10695. You can see right there. This is powered by the Honda GCV 160 Gold engine. Great engine. As I mentioned earlier, I really like Honda engines. I mean, you saw that old one fire right up on the first pull. So let's see what this one can do. So put it on choke and put the camera down. Now let's see what this one does. Hopefully you can see. Okay, the fuel belt's on. Engine foggers, so that's why it's smoking a little bit, so it's just burning all that out. So next one we're going to start is the Toro Recycler 22-inch with Smartstow. This is the one I got for free back in the fall. You probably might have seen that video that I made of it. So here's the model number. It is 20339. Serial number is 316076091. So I'm not 100% sure, but I'm assuming that this is a 2016 model, but I'm not 100% sure. If anybody knows, please tell me. Yeah, it's the one I got for free in the fall, and I am planning on selling it, and probably in a few weeks I'll put that up for sale. Alright, see what this one does. So I think this will definitely be a nice mower for someone. Like I said, gonna wash it here soon, put it up for sale, and got a full detail for retail. So yeah, anyway, now for the last one. Alright, last one we're gonna start. This is my 2010 Lawnboy 10642, which I will show it that you can see there. 10642, serial number is 310010023. So the 310 means that this is a 2010 model. Now this one's going to be interesting because I did not use this at all last year, really. So it's going to be kind of a old start, cold start. So let's see what this does. Okay. Electric start does not work, by the way, so I'm just gonna have to pull it. That was it. Alright guys, so all the lawnmowers here are working great, so that's awesome. So like I said earlier, can't wait, expect to see some lawn cutting videos here pretty soon, in a couple weeks hopefully, if the grass starts growing, which in some areas it actually has. Like right here, you can actually see right there. It's actually starting to grow a little bit. So yeah, I'd say 2021 is going to be a great year. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that being said, thanks for watching.